Here I have VIVAX Fly 6, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. So to do this, you just have to open Settings, scroll down to the bottom, go to the System section, and go to the Advanced Reset Options, and here you have to select the last option, Erase All Data Factory Reset. Then tap Erase All Data, and then tap Erase All Data one more time to confirm whole operation, and after that your device will be restarted in a few minutes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.